हेरिटेज एंड नॉलेज के क्वेश्चंस का आज हम कवर करेंगे इस वीडियो में। फर्स्ट है हमारे पास नेम द कंपोनेंट ऑफ ब्लड दैट फाइट इन्फेक्शन। आंसर वाइट ब्लड सेल। इन विच इंडियन स्टेट इज चोरी चूरा विलेज लोकेटेड? उत्तर प्रदेश। नेक्स्ट है व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय प्रोक्सिमा डी? इट इज़ अ न्यू एक्सो प्लैनेट। फोर्थ है हमारे दी क्रिम्सन रोज बिलोंग टू विच स्पीशीज बटरफ्लाई? व्हाट इज़ द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशन इन्वायरमेंट प्रोग्राम लोकेटेड? नारोबिया कीनिया में लोकेटेड है UNEP। वन वाज यूनाइटेड नेशन इन्वायरमेंट प्रोग्राम इस्टेब्लिश 5 जून 1972। 5 जून 1972 को इस्टेब्लिश हुआ था। Name the element that make up xylem tissue. Xylem tissue consists of 4 type of element, namely trichoids, vessel, xylem fiber, and xylem parenchyma. Where is Hemis National Park situated? Hemis National Park is located in Jammu and Kashmir state. When was Bhagat Singh executed? 23 March 1931. Name the first English president of the Indian National Congress. George Yala was the first English president of the Indian National Congress. Name the tissue that forms the inner lining of the mouth. Epithelial tissue form inner lining of the mouth. What is the function of ligament? Ligament is a type of connective tissue that connect one bone to another. These tissue are strong and elastic. Who founded the Mauryan Empire? Chandragupta Maurya founded the Mauryan Empire. Nagaland University was destroyed by whom? Bakhtiar Khilji destroyed the university. In which year did Arundhati Roy win the Booker Prize? In 1997. What is the relationship between the weight of an object on the moon and the weight of an object on the earth? Answer: the moon weight 1/6 the weight of the earth. What is the major source of mineral in the soil? Parent rock. From which soil is covered in the major source of mineral in the soil? Freedom of speech when expression is mentioned in which article of the Indian Constitution? Article 19. In which year did the guarantee system start? In 1849. The guarantee system for rail network development in India was started. In which which gas is filled is an electrical bulb? Nitrogen gas is filled is an electrical bulb. When is International Women's Day celebrated? Every year on 8 March. International Women's Day is celebrated. What was the first vernacular newspaper in India? Samachar Drapan was the first vernacular newspaper in India. Which continent was not part of Gondwana land? Europe is not the part of Gondwana land. What are brachness crescent-shaped sand dunes? Mention any 3 Himalayan river system: Indus, Ganges, and Brahmaputra. Saffron is derived from which flower? Crocus से हम ज़ाफ़रान को derive करते हैं. Which flower can replace onion as a spice in cooking? Tulips जो है वो replace कर सकता है onion को as a spice in cooking में. Banana plant are related to which flower? Bride of paradise. Which flower juice is used to make glue in the paste? Bluebell flower is used to make glue in the paste.